Hey guys, how you doing? How are you today? Wanted to do a little video of some cars that I just sold. These cars are sold, and I think they're. I'm not gonna say rare, but they could be a little hard to find nowadays. I have two sets of those, and I just want to put my little background here. This was from my 2016 Hot Wheels event, Hot Wheels Day. I remember I went to a Kmart. Kmart. I don't think they hold it anymore at the Kmart's. I haven't heard, haven't got any notifications in a while. So, but anyways, yeah. Let me show you the cars. I believe these cars are a little hard to get, being that they're like a few years old. And yeah. Let's see. The first one is the 55 Gasser Chevy Bel Air. Yep, it is the. If you can see here is the Holley. Let me focus for you here. It's the Holley souped. Let's say souped. Yeah, it's got the gold wheels. It is red. Um, yeah, these came out of a couple years ago. I have quite a few of these. I have about six. So if any one of you guys are interested, let me know. White sunroof. The white sunroofed. Yep, pretty nice. And look at the car art here. And I got a ship two to this guy. He bought him. He's from Massachusetts. It's a buyer from Massachusetts. So I'm not gonna say his name. But there's two included in the sale. It's a package. This is a nice. It's a nice casting. I like it. That's why I picked up quite a few of them. I think it was about six of them. I think I have four more or three or something. Yeah, look at that. That's nice. I think to me, I like this casting. Again, this you know car collecting thing. It all depends on what you like. Some people say I don't know what's so cool about it. It just depends on what you like. For example, I also collect Matchbox. I like Matchboxes. I like I just like some of their, castings, some of their diecast cars. Some people don't, but I do. And it's the same thing with Hot Wheels. You collect whatever, whatever you want. This one is kind of old. This one is from 2006. And it is the, where is it? Datsun 240Z. 240Z. This casting is a little heavy. I think it's a metal base because it's heavy. It's not like this one. It's a little heavy too. It's a metal base, but this one is like heavier, a tiny bit heavier. So I got the tempos going on here. This is a nice casting. This is a little hard to get to because not too many people, so many people, a lot of people opened them, took them out of the bubble right here. I don't like to do that. I like to keep them. And as you can see, look at the cards, are very in nice condition. This is from 2006. Yep, and metal base. This is another one. So I just wanted to show you guys. And the last one, this one is really, I got two of these. This one is really, really, really hard. And I know you guys are going to be like, what? And it is, let me start from the bottom. And it is the A-Team van. A-Team van. Right there, man. I was psyched when I saw this. I picked up two of these. Two of them is the GMC van. It is the A-Team van from the 2011 new models. Yep. Got the A-Team logo right here. Remember, I don't know, many of you maybe don't even remember the TV series. Some do, some don't. It all depends on what year you were born and your age. But this is heavy. So yep, this is the 18 van right here, and as you can see right here, it has the bumper protector here, and it also has it here on the. It's just that over here is that the clear lights over here. They're like kind of like blacked out, but it does have it. Maybe you can see it there. Let me see if I can focus so that you can see. Maybe you can see it a little bit there. Yep, and this is from 2011 new models. See here, GM truck, and this is from 20th Century Fox, which is the official company that, you know, kind of like produced the series, I guess. Yep, this was a 1983 Chevy van. Yep, so I just wanted to show you guys. This was from a buyer. I have to ship them today. I wanted to show you. So it's the Datsun. Got the Holley gasser and the 18 van. This right here. These two are you know, a little bit hard to find. These two, I believe. And this one as well. This one as well. I think it'd be hard to find. So I had 2 sets. So I still have another one of these. I still have another van. And I have, I believe, like 4 of these. So, yeah, I have them. I got to ship those today to a guy in Massachusetts, a collector. Guys, thank you much. Happy hunting. God bless. Like and subscribe. And more videos coming up. More stuff coming up. I have more cars. It's just that I don't have that much time to... I don't have that much time to kind of like go out and make videos, but I do have a lot of cars to show you. Some rare, some new, some expensive ones, some non-expensive but rare. So yeah, when we have some time, we'll show you. All right, guys, thank you much. Bye.